We are getting into the thick of the bull run, guys, and I can sense that a lot of you are starting to get quite fed up with ICP. So in today's video, I'm going to draw some comparisons between ICP and Solana. There are some key metrics that we all need to be paying close attention to. And at the end of the video, you guys can all let me know whether or not you're completely finished with ICP or if you're still holding on. But before we get into that, guys, make sure you have smashed that subscribe button. Go destroy the like button while you're at it. Let's get into ICP. Alright guys, what's happening? Happy Monday. I hope everybody had a fantastic weekend. Bitcoin is starting to have its retracement, guys. We're back below 70k and we were ready for this. We were prepared for this. Bitcoin has been going on an insane run over the past, 3, 4, 5 weeks now. We've just been going up in a straight line and a lot of our alts have followed. Now, it is essential that we let steam out, guys. We can't just go straight up in a straight line. And yes, I will tell you guys that every single day. But on top of this, we need to be prepared for corrections if they do come. Now, historically, March, before the halving, is one of the worst months for Bitcoin and for crypto as a whole. Is history going to repeat itself? Only time will tell. But what I am doing, just in case it does, is keeping money to the side so that I can maximize buying opportunities. And all of you guys should do that as well. We should never be 100% in the market. Now, ICP, I'm sure a lot of you guys, you're getting fed up. We're sitting at $12 right now, okay? Now, $12 is a very key level of interest, and you guys will find out at the end of the video, so make sure you are switched on. Make sure you stay to the end. But we're sitting at a $5.5 billion market cap. Now, why the hell is ICP not moving? Now guys, I wanted to draw a comparison between ICP and Solana in today's video because I can see there's a lot of similarities between the two. Now, I'm sure a lot of you guys were there for the you-know-who crash, or the F-word crash, which brought Solana all the way down to $8. And there was still some FUD around that time because we were still unsure if you-know-who was going to dump the rest of their Solana into the market and drive the price even lower. And I typed in here, Solana is dead, because around that time there were so many tweets saying Solana's dead, it's never coming back, you're an idiot if you buy Solana, it's not going to do anything ever again, you're a stupid investor. Now all these Solana dead tweets have turned into people laughing at people saying Solana is dead. And it's funny how the narrative can switch so quick just based on price. Now guys, I want all of you to let me know in the comments right now where exactly you find this piece of information on the NNS, because according to ICP Well News, ICP has the same amount of TVL as Sol, but we're 1/10 of the market cap, and that's 3 billion. Now Solana, obviously we have increased in price and there are more holders now, so the Solana TVL is much higher right now. I think we're sitting nearly 5 billion. Now if you check out DeFi Llama, you're going to see ICP has 27 million TVL while Sol has 3.59 billion TVL, guys. And yes, I know that DeFi Llama can sometimes be a little bit off with their statistics, but if you guys can let me know exactly what you click on to find this, then let me know, because we'll be keeping a close eye on this stat here, and for some reason I wasn't able to find it on the NNS. So all of you guys in the community, you can help a brother out. But if we go to the latest update on DeFi Llama, you're going to see 4.219 billion for Sol. And if we zoom in here, guys, look at the run that Sol had. We were sitting at not even 1 billion, we're at 200 million TVL all of 2023, and now that we've had our run up, the TVL is increased in drastically. But then you move to ICP and you can see we've been all over the place, guys. Now if you can prove that this is not accurate and exactly where to find the TVL statistics or the staking statistics, then go and drop a comment and we can make sure that we are up to date with that. But right now we need DeFi to start increasing. And am I still bullish on DeFi for ICP or not? Now all of you can do this in your own time. You can go to internetcomputer.org and you can just click ecosystem. You can see that there's currently 210 projects being built on the internet computer, and that is nothing. That is absolutely nothing. It goes to show how early we are for ICP. And a lot of you guys in the comments have been leaving negative comments saying, oh, why are we still talking about ICP? It's all over. But I was getting the same comments on my Solana videos when I was telling all of you guys to buy Solana between $15 and $20. So yes, I will still continue to make these videos because unfortunately none of your comments is going to be able to FUD me out. The only thing that's going to FUD me out is if I do my own research and there's certain things in the project that change that really make me think twice about ICP. And if that does happen, then I will let all of you guys know. But for now, all of you who are leaving hateful comments, laughing, saying this is stupid, how much are they paying you? Guys, your comments don't mean anything to me because I see the end goal. One of the things that I always mention on this channel is saying how similar ICP is to Cardano in its last DeFi bull run. Now, when we first got into the DeFi of Cardano, there was like 2 NFT websites and maybe a few smaller projects being built on Cardano, guys. And look where we are for ICP. I mean, number one, the whole UI is just way better and it's way easier to navigate than a lot of other platforms, guys. And we need this for all of the new users to come in and experience it, right? I mean, if you come into ICP, this is your first experience of crypto and you want to see, right, what projects do they have? Look how easy this is to navigate, okay? And a lot of them we're already in, guys. But there's one that I think is going to be a massive catalyst for the growth of ICP, and that is Bitfinity EVM, guys. And this is basically a scaling solution for Bitcoin. Average block time, 1 second. Transaction finality, 2 seconds. Transaction cost, 2 cents, guys. And yeah, Bitcoin's not like the most crazy expensive chain, but it's also not the most fast chain either. So if we can scale Bitcoin transactions to get it to 2-second transactions and a fraction of a dollar for transaction cost, then guys, this is fantastic. And I do think there's going to be a massive narrative of scaling solutions for Bitcoin in the future. And once we do get into the heat of the bull run and everything is going crazy, everyone's sending transactions, you're going to need scaling solutions for not only Ethereum but Bitcoin and other coins as well. And ICP is at the forefront, guys. A reason why I'm so bullish, because I can see the potential of DeFi and I can see that they actually have scaling solutions which a lot of chains didn't even have in place in the last bull run, and they saw immense gains. And you're going to see so many more projects get added to this list as well, guys. And that's what we need. We need developers coming from other chains into ICP. And yes, I do agree that the marketing needs to have a push. They definitely need to have a push, because at the moment they're just relying on people like myself, other YouTubers, saying, you know, ICP is great because of this, is because of that. They need to start really ramping it up, and I'm sure they will in the peak of the bull run. And even when you move over to the NNS, guys, you're going to see all of the launch pads that have been launched so far. They're continuing to launch new ones. Now, one thing I do want to say is don't be degen when it comes to these launch pads. I know a lot of you guys, you like getting in launch pads. Do not just mindlessly put in because you see it here and you think, oh, this is going to 10x. No, it doesn't work like that. I mean, decentralized panda meme, probably going to give that a miss. Decentralized fantasy football, probably going to give that a miss as well, guys. But it's just good to see more projects being built, and you're going to get more projects that can actually have a bigger impact on the ecosystem as time does go on. Now we come to the trading view, guys, and I want to show you something. For Solana, when we bottomed out in early 2023, we had 175% pump, guys, within the space of 2, 3, 4 weeks. Then we had a 40-week consolidation, okay? A 40-week consolidation. That's painful. And in here, the whole narrative was Solana's dead. It's never getting back over $100. I saw it all over the timeline. And what did I do in this space here? I accumulated Solana. And who's laughing now? Is it all the people that were FUDing Solana and saying Solana's a shitcoin, it's not going to anything, all Solana projects are just rug pulls? Or is it the people that held their conviction through Solana and are now seeing the gains? Who has the last laugh? I think there's going to be the same thing that happens for ICP. Now, one of the main differences that I'm seeing, guys, is we didn't actually have a 175% move. We had a 444% move in the space of a couple months. And if we do have a 40-week consolidation similar to Solana, then that means at the end of August into September, that will be when we have our next leg up. Now, this is not Bible. This is not me saying it has to be 40 weeks consolidation, or, you know, we don't even break lower than this. I'm not saying that, but I'm just saying you have to be prepared for all outcomes, guys. And in these areas of it bouncing up to, what was it, 16, 17, coming back down to 10, bouncing in between this area, I'm just going to be accumulating, guys, and no one's shaking me out. Again, if you're this far and you're still getting angry and you're thinking, oh, I'm done with ICP, then you guys need to make your own choices. I'm not here to tell you to hold ICP, or I'm not giving you any financial advice. Do what you want, but I'm just showing you why I am still maintaining my conviction. DeFi is still yet to grow, and we still have to have consolidations after 400% moves, guys. Everyone's saying ICP is making no gains. It did make gains. It's just that you were late to the party. Now, guys, my key level of interest is going to be around $12. It says $12.50 here, but it's $12. I'm going to be buying the median of this area for all of these months, as long as we do consolidate in between here, guys. If we get a $10 ICP, I'll be buying $10. If we go to this lower level at around $8, we tracked this on a previous chart before. If we get this area here, I will be scooping that up, okay? I will be scooping that up until there's some major announcement from the team that everything's going to shit. There's nothing that is shaking me out right now, guys. And we have to be prepared for Bitcoin to have a massive crash and it to bring our alts down. And if it does bring ICP down, you're going to get that extra FUD on top of the FUD that it has right now because it's consolidating. You're going to have everyone saying, oh, see, ICP, I should never hold ICP, I should sell it all. And really, it's just the general crypto market letting out some steam, okay? Will we have a 40-week consolidation? Will we not? Who knows? You guys can let me know what you think in the comments. But right now, I'm not getting shaken out of ICP. I'm maintaining my conviction and I'm preparing for the worst, as all of you guys should as well. But that's it. Let me know what you think of ICP. Do you think it's the same sort of situation as Solana? Do you think people are just getting fed up, they're getting shaken out, and now they're just turning hateful? Or do you think that it really is over for ICP? All of you can let me know in the comments. Until next time, it's been Will X Money. I'm going to see you in the next one, fam. Peace.